One of the things that you'll receive in your transition backpack are dominoes. Dominoes are great tools for kids to learn numbers, to talk about same and different, matching. Your dominoes will look a little different. Their solid colors are not white. But I want to show you some of the things you can do with children with dominoes. You may want to pick up a domino and say, look, how many dots are on here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you find one that's the same? This is the same. Not when you count the dots. So you want to help them learn same and different. Also, you may not want to start playing a game with children quite yet, letting them start matching and making their own road on the table with those that match. Then you might get into turn taking where everybody has their own little group of dominoes and they're trying to match and make a trail. My turn, your turn, but don't make the rules too hard, like you get an extra turn if you make a match, or you have to draw if you don't have one. You just skip and go on to the next person. And eventually you may have to draw. The best thing with dominoes, you have some kiddos who really just want to stand them up and make a trail and knock them over. And while this may seem like it's a waste of your time, there's such good fine motor activity there. Let them make those things. Have fun with your dominoes. Thanks.